problem with science these days is that there are too few researchers, too little computing power, and too many problems. People unnecessarily die because their cure wasn't found fast enough. Now, there is a solution to that, and the solution comes from a group that you would never expect it from. It comes from gamers. Because gamers, what do they have in common with scientists? They have massive computers. Now, gamers can contribute their idle computing power, so there's no computing power lost when playing games. And when they do, they contribute to a super network of computers that allows scientists to find cures at an unprecedented pace. But for problems when computing power just isn't enough, there's also brain power. Gamers' brain power. Because gamers are actually quite a pretty clever bunch, and they can use the game Foldit. Foldit allows gamers to play a puzzle game which contributes to figuring out how proteins fold, thus preventing diseases or finding cures based on diseases for protein-based diseases, such as Creutzfeldt-Jakob, cancer, you name it. But the third and most inspiring part of this is that there are actually amateur app developers who do this for fun, who have decided to contribute their skills to science. Take for example the current Lifelines app. The Lifelines app allows anyone with a smartphone and a 350 times magnifying microscope to find out whether someone has malaria or not. This is a great discovery. And this leads us to a very promising future. One where all gamers, all gaming rigs are connected in a network that allows us to find cures that would take years for supercomputers in the lab to come up with. And when that isn't enough, we have a legion of gamers to help us find cures. And best of all, we have people willing to blend entertainment with science. That all makes me believe that the next generation of scientific breakthroughs will not